You won't believe what vanilla extract can do to your fridge in just 24 hours. If your fridge smells like last week's leftovers, don't waste money on expensive odor eliminators. Here's the secret vanilla extract. Just pour a little onto a cotton ball or small dish and place it inside your fridge. The powerful, sweet scent of vanilla neutralizes bad odors almost instantly, leaving your fridge smelling like a bakery. And unlike artificial sprays, it's completely food-safe and natural. Bonus tip: swap it out every couple of weeks to keep things fresh. Try it today and say goodbye to funky fridge smells for good. Tried this hack? Let us know how it worked in the comments. For more zero-effort cleaning tips, hit that subscribe button.